In a valley where the moon's glow carried hope, lay the shimmering Kingdom of Aurelia. It was ruled by the kind King Aldrin and Queen Celine. Their daughter, Princess Elara, was known for a heart that shone brighter than the stars. But Elara held a secret. Every night, whispers from the forbidden Enchanted Forest of Luminara called to her on the wind. One day, a brave prince from a distant land, Caelum, arrived in Aurelia. He was searching for a cure to a mysterious curse weakening his homeland. The moment he met Elara, he saw a strange magic in her eyes, a hidden glow that captivated him. He knew she was special. That very night, the whisper returned clearer than ever before. "Princess, your destiny awaits in Luminara." This time, Elara decided she had to answer. She slipped out of the castle and headed toward the Forbidden Woods. To her surprise, Caelum was right behind her, his sword at his side, ready to protect her from any danger. As they stepped into the enchanted forest, the ancient trees began to glow, and a path of fireflies lit their way. But they were not alone. Before them stood the Moon Guardian, a being of pure silver light, the protector of the forest. The Guardian explained that the forest held the Moonlit Crown, an artifact powerful enough to lift any curse. But it could only be claimed by those with a pure heart who could pass 3 trials. Their first test was the trial of courage. A shadowy creature born from fear materialized before them, blocking their path. Caelum stood firm, refusing to back down. Elara, seeing his bravery, stepped beside him and took his hand. Their combined courage was so powerful that the creature dissolved into nothing. Next came the trial of loyalty. A beautiful illusion appeared, offering Elara a life of freedom, away from her royal duties and responsibilities. It was tempting, but she thought of her kingdom, and she thought of Caelum. She turned away from the illusion and chose the path of duty, her resolve stronger than ever. Finally, they faced the trial of heart. A mystical mirror appeared and asked them a single question: "What is your true desire?" Without hesitation, Elara and Caelum spoke as one, their voices echoing through the trees, "To save, not to rule." As they said these words, the entire forest burst into a brilliant, beautiful light. From the center of that light, the Moonlit Crown emerged. It was crafted from pure moonlight and the very essence of hope. The Moon Guardian gently placed it in Elara's hands. As she placed it upon her head, a radiant glow spread from the crown, across the forest and far beyond, reaching Caelum's cursed kingdom and lifting the darkness forever. They returned to Aurelia not just as a princess and a prince, but as heroes. In time, their bond grew, and they united not only their kingdoms but also their hearts. Under the light of the brightest moon, the 2 realms joined, and their story became a legend. From that day on, whenever the moon shone over Aurelia, the people would whisper, "When the heart is pure, destiny becomes light." Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tales of magic and wonder.